Hi everybody, it's Mindy and welcome. Welcome if you're new. I'm glad you're here and you came to see this. And if you've been around for a while, thanks for coming back and hanging out. I have a wonderful diamond painting to show you. This is a Black Friday purchase from Dreamers Designs. They had some wonderful things. They are just, for me, they're clicking on all cylinders. They're showing stuff that is my style. I'm just loving it. And they have a great product. So if you have not tried Dreamers Designs before, I would encourage you to just give them a try. Give them a try. They've done a lot of improvements over the years. They're not that old of a company. We got to keep that in mind. Give them a try. I'm not going to show you what this is yet. This may be sold out. I think it's sold out. They've been coming out with like all Christmas paintings for the last couple weeks. And as I'm recording this, today is Saturday, the beginning of December, and I just bought 2 more. I can't help it. I can't resist. So here's something that you might want to know about Dreamers Designs. So they had a code. You could use their Black Friday code still. I think everything's out of the box. They still had a Black Friday code where it was 60% off. Buy one, get one 60% off. And I used that. And I had reward points, and I had a $25 reward, and I could use that as well. So they will allow you to double up and use both. Yeah. So I couldn't resist. I had to do it. And this one just, okay, wait till you see it. Okay, here's their toolkit. Every video I show this, so I'm going to go through it kind of quickly. If you've watched a few of my videos from Dreamers Designs, you'll have seen it. This is their new toolkit. Comes in the nice soft bag. Their toolkit their toolkit on steroids is what it is. All right, toolkit on steroids. So they have their 2 pens in here still. One's with the plastic tip. They have extra multi-placers and a straightener in here, a bag of baggies, and we have 2 squishies for our pens. Okay, so there's the first little setup right there. Everything you need to diamond paint. They have switched to purple wax. Look at that. Now, I have not used the purple wax yet. I'm going to give it a try on my painting I'm working on. I am working on one, and I'm not putting it away till it's done. Tweezers, says Dreamers Designs. They are the sharp kind, all right? Come with a cap. Keep that on there. I love this. I've started using this to swoop my drills down to the bottom. This big tray does have a little gate here. You can pull this out. It's their stopper. You pull that out to release your drills. It says Dreamers Designs on the back. It's this pretty sparkly purple. And it comes with these nifty little dividers that you can put in here to divide your tray into different sections so you could have multiple colors out at the same time. They go down really flush to the bottom. Take your little plastic film off these that peels off there, and they're totally clear like the top is. So that's the toolkit. They got a nice toolkit. They've only had this, I don't know, not too long, a month or 2 maybe, when they revised their kits. Now, they got rid of the foam roller. I know some people don't like that, but I'm happy they got rid of the foam roller. Your drills are wrapped inside now, and they have a soft lint back. Still wrapped in your ribbon. Love it. And it's a nice soft back canvas. Love it. They have the scalloped and serging here so that it will not fray. Hopefully it will not fray. Poured glue. I'm going to roll it backwards. Get all the rest of the goodies out of the inside so we can look at it. Oh my goodness, you guys. I looked at this and I loved it at first, and then I said no, and then I loved it again, and I said no, and then I said yes. I had to do it. All right, so in here comes a little pamphlet now. Instead of the big sheet, they had a big sheet. Now they got the cute little pamphlet. Love that. Tips, tricks, how to diamond paint, get money off your painting. I have a code. Let me know. If somebody tries it, let me know if it works. I think it's first time only. I don't know. Try it though. It's Mindy15. Let me know if it works. Okay. And here is their sticker sheet. And there's my painting. Susan Rios through artlicensing.com. It's called Happy Christmas. Happy Christmas. This will peel off. This is an individual sticker. You can put your start and end date. It's at 80 by 60. That's kind of the standard size for them, 80 by 60. Got some extra stickers here and peelable label stickers. How many colors? 47 colors. How many ABs? Let's see. Those are at the end here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like white, pink, red, blue, yellow maybe? I don't know. We'll find out when we get into them. But nice little sticker sheet. That is an improvement. That's an upgrade that came with the most recent revision. The softback canvas was a new revision. The toolkit was a new revision. Things like that. Okay. This one's rounds. Yes, it's rounds. That answered my question. I wasn't certain if you got tweezers every time, but apparently you do. Rounds or squares. It says Happy Christmas on it, so you know where these belong. Love it, love it, love it. For as pink as it is, I don't see a lot of pink in here. Interesting. Let's see how this goes. Let's see how this goes. All right, so, oh wow, that freaked me right out. All of a sudden it got super bright in here, and I was like, did a light just come on? No, that was the sun. Wow, I thought there was a flashing light somewhere. They have a legend on both sides. Here's the one on the right. And let's just look at this. Look, a deer, a bunny, a snowman family. We got our nutcracker, our soldier guy here. We have a sleigh pulled by the reindeer. Look at the tree is in the window of their house. Love this. Love it. Love it. I just called it the pink Christmas house. They got their walkway lined with candy canes. We've got a Santa outside the door. All of the, I always forget the name of that stuff. Garland, like the pine garland on all the windows and beside the door. Everything is so pretty. Okay, there better be some pinks in these drills because this house, it just is pink. It looks totally pink in the picture and stuff. So there better be more pinks in here. It's kind of like in the picture here, it's kind of like a pinkish to beige color almost. I don't know. Let's look at the drills and see. This is so pretty. The legend here, legend there. All the licensing information and a thumbnail is up here at the top. Susan Rios. I don't know if I've ever seen any paintings by her before. Here's their drill field. Look, you can see the little round sort of like guide circles, but they're not. They're just a colored circle to help you place your drills. Now, people have said that Dreamers Designs has blurry symbols. I have not, with the new kits, I mean, in the last year, at least the past year, I have not encountered blurry symbols. I try to find some, and I'm failing to find blurry symbols. You see any that are blurry? The sun is really weird. It's freaking me out. It's just coming and going. I see nothing blurry. I don't see any blurry symbols here. I see nice color. I don't see too much color. I have good things to say about them. And I'm working on two of them. Everything is coming out beautifully. Both of the ones I'm working on are squares. It'd be interesting to work on a round. I haven't worked on a round yet, but I love this. It is just, I don't know. It brings back like nostalgic feelings of my youth, I guess. I guess that's what I would say. Well, let's look at the drills and let's see what colors we get. Well, this guy wants to stay in the bag, so we have some orange. He wanted to stay. Oh, that's an AB. All right, we'll leave him out. We'll look at him in a bit. Okay, what else do we have? All right, here we go. Okay, we'll save those. That's the AB strip. The AB strip. Okay, let me zoom you in. Let me zoom you in. So you can in, not out. Okay. Pretty teal. So I'm going to assume there's a lot of this color. It's going to be maybe down in here and stuff. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, okay, so it's going to be like the snow color. It's really kind of a light mulberry-ish color. And then there's a darker 34. I'm really curious where these colors go. This is on the house. Okay, so this is a darker part, like right in through here. This is all that color. And then like the trim and around here is this color. So it is a pink color. It's just a darker, rosier pink, I guess. And then 32, I'm assuming that goes up in the house too. That's the M. I don't know why. I'm going through all this with you guys. I just wanted to kind of know what the pinks are in the house. I don't see it up there. 31, 2 bags of that. 30. So it's kind of a purpley pink, rosy house. Browns, greens, a little bit of pink, light pinks, more brown, goldenrod. Goldenrod. All right, more brown, a little bit of blue there, some red, grays, a little bit of black. Here's some more pinks, pretty light pink. And see, it's more of this, what color do you call this? I just call it more of a rosy, mulberry-ish kind of pink. That one's a pretty pink though. 152 is quite pink. So it's not going to be like bubblegum, you know, bubblegum pink. Pans, whole bunch of grays. Gray, 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 gray. Okay. Then our last strip here, these are going to be backwards. That's okay. Yellow, some brown colors, creams, a lot of cream color. And then we have our first AB. Well, no, that's our second. We already saw the orange. So there's a white AB, a whole bunch of it. And somebody also said recently that they thought that Dreamers Designs was really stingy with the ABs, that there weren't very many of them. Well, here's a whole bag of white. That's quite a bit of pink. There's a lot of red. This one has a few, okay? But that's one of the 5 colors that has a few. I mean, that's a good amount of ABs in one painting, don't you think? I think it's a good amount. I think they do a nice job, you guys. And I've always been honest. My opinion, you know, I'm honest. All right, let's look for the ABs. Let's see. Let's zoom you out now. Zoom you out. In, out, out, in, out. All right, the Z. Z was the yellow, the orangey yellow, right? Yeah, that's the Z. So where are we going to find that? Oh, in our light, of course. On the lights here, the candles, on his hat, peppered throughout the tree. Oh my gosh, yes, you guys. In this tree, the windows get AB. That orangey AB, pretty. And then all of these little lights over here on this tree, they're solid AB, but they're 2 different colors. So you'll see there's 4 of the oranges and a white in the center for all of those little lights flickering off that tree. I love this. Oh my gosh, I love this. So that's the orange. All right. Next one, this little bit of blue that we have is like this little bracket. It might be hard for me to find it. Well, the snowman right here has some on him. I'm looking for that color. Is that it? That might be it. I mean, it would make sense if it was. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's it for the blue. That's why there's just a little bit. It just gives his little vest, his little jacket here, a little extra sparkle. Okay. Then we have the red. The red is P, and it's everywhere. So it's in this gift. It's here. Oh my gosh, I'm not going to be able to find them all. Here, here, here. There's some on the tin soldier. There's some in the tree. Oh my goodness. Here. No, is that? No, I lied. That's not a P. Yes, it is. Hang on, let me get closer. Yes, it is. P, P, and P. Yes, it is. All right. In the ribbons or whatever's on the bushes here, down here in the flowers, on his coat, in the window. Oh my goodness. Over here. Oh my gosh. You guys, that's where all of that. It's not red. It's just a pretty, almost to the salmon side of things, you know? All right, now the pink, the pretty light pink. Pretty light pink is like these 2 slashes. They're in the same places. In all of these flowers down here. Over here, again, in his coat. Where else? Where else? Some in the window here. Oh, up here, all the way around here, in this ribbon. You guys, tell me this isn't pretty. I challenge you. Here, around there. Some on the candle over here. Oh no, that's in the deer or the bunny. What are they? Bunnies? That's a bunny, right? They're in their ears. Okay. And then the white. Where do you think you're going to find white? White, white, white. It's the O. So, I mean, let's just start by surrounding this in the snow, up the path, the snow, here, all these animals, the snowmen, all the animals, again, in the flame. I told you the centers of those are white AB. In this tree, there's white AB. Let's go up here. What do we get up here? Yep, up here in the tree, just different places, we get white AB. Ah, wow. Rooftop, because we have snow, of course. Yeah, that's pretty. That's pretty. Oh my goodness. You guys. Well, somebody come do this one for me. I want this one done and in my house. I don't know why. I just do. But I don't have time to do it. I need somebody to come do this for me. All right. That's what I have to show you today, you guys. I'm pretty sure this one is sold out. I'm sorry, it's sold out. Maybe they'll bring it back. If it's still listed on this site and you can get notified, do that. It's gorgeous. All right. Okay. I'm going to put all this away and I'm moving on to my next task for the day. Thanks for watching, everybody. Try that code and let me know if it works. And remember, with Dreamers Designs, you can stack their coupons, their sales with your rewards. Okay? So I literally got buy one, get one free today. Yeah. So, all right. Thanks for watching. I'll see everybody soon. Bye.